Wait, Sonia, I am frustrated. I can't do it though. I'm tired though. YouTube is this, oh. YouTube is that, oh. Oh, YouTube. Guys, it is Monday morning. Have you uploaded video? That's the first question I need to ask you. Have you even uploaded video? Did you even upload video last week? Did you even upload last 2 weeks? Do you know why Vibration is still wasting strong? Because in as much as I am tight, like you should know that right now, Vibration is in a very, very tight corner. I came last week and I ranted, oh, I'm tired. I was even planning on quitting YouTube, but I told myself, if I quit, where's the money gonna come from? Where's the money gonna come from? Where's the money gonna come from? If I quit, the people that are motivating, how are they going to get motivated? You understand what I'm trying to say? So now, why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to still remind you that there is nothing you do on YouTube that is a waste. That's the honest truth. YouTube is a journey. You keep pushing until you meet what you're meeting. And even when you meet what you are meeting, you will still keep pushing. Check out the life of your big content creators. They're still creating content. If they are so comfortable with what they've been able to achieve or earn on YouTube, they will not be here. That's just the honest truth. They will not be here. If people are making $2,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 from YouTube, even if the least $500, you should be able to tell yourself that you can also make it. I told myself that 3 years ago. I said, there is nothing. If people are making money from here and I will make money. And today, am I not making money? I'm making money from YouTube. So you can also make money from YouTube if only you never give up. And if you're watching this video, you're just seeing my videos for the first time, and you've not even created a YouTube channel, or you've been procrastinating. Do I even need to create? Why am I even creating? I'm even tired. I'm frustrating. It's frustrating me. I'm tired. You need to create. You need to stop procrastination. Because the more you keep wasting time, the more you keep pushing yourself backward. Content creating is sweet. Content creating is beautiful, especially when you're doing it with YouTube. These are people that pay you for your value. I know why I always emphasize on YouTube. I've been on Facebook. I've been on Instagram. I've been on TikTok. But YouTube pays you for your value if you really, really know what you are doing. You get? So all you need to tell yourself is, YouTube, you see me and you, is a do or die affair. I need to make money from here. I need to improve in what I'm doing, improve in your videos quality, ensure that everything you're bringing, they are sweet, they are things that are bringing value to the table. There is no way you're not going to be successful. Now, let me put this out there. YouTube is frustrating. YouTube is time consuming. If you're not impatient, you're not going to achieve what you want. YouTube is a platform whereby as you're pushing your video, you're not seeing the views, you feel like fainting. You feel like, oh, am I even supposed to be doing this? Oh, I'm even tired. But the beautiful and the sweetest part of YouTube is, if you keep pushing and you don't give up, you are going to be making your money out there. You're going to be enjoying everything that every big content creators are enjoying. Buying luxury cars, buying luxury houses, doing a lot of things, making kids happy, making the family happy. This is the platform for you. So if today you have not uploaded any video, or you've not had any reason at all to upload videos, why? Go and start uploading video. The only passport for you to pass is creating content. Be good in what you are creating. Learn on the job. Learn on the job. Start with any device that you have. Don't wait and say until you have this mighty device. Start with any device that you have, and trust me, you are not going to regret it. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop in your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. This is my advice for you on YouTube in less than 5 minutes, because this video is just 4 minutes, and I hope this video is able to help you out there to start creating content. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're struggling with your YouTube channel, check in the description, check in our bio. Our mail is there. Send us a mail, enroll in our coaching classes. Let us be able to help you review your channel to see what is really wrong with your channel, what you can minus, what you can add, so that at the end of the day, we can achieve success. If you have not created and you are scared and you want someone to hold your hand, that is our job. We hold your hand on this YouTube street and make you grow. All you need to do is to do what? Still check the mail in the description and check the mail in the bio, faithonoja3195@gmail.com, and trust me, you're definitely not going to regret this. Anyways, With no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.